How's it going, everyone? We're out here and we're finally back on Lake Champlain. It is a absolutely beautiful morning here. You can see the lake is super flat and calm. We're gonna give it another go for some Atlantic salmon. The water temperature is it's 57 degrees. I actually just see a mark down there right now at about 30 feet down. So we're gonna put our Fishhawk TD down, check the water depth. I got some new spoons. There's some crazy Ivans. I've been reading through the forums and it seems like those have been working pretty well for people up here for quite a number of years. I'm more used to like lake trouts. I've been using a lot of lake trout spoons, but we're gonna give those a go today. Hopefully we'll get some. We're gonna see if we can go fast enough with our electric motor just to avoid some engine noise. Yeah, we're gonna give it a go. Hopefully you guys enjoy this one. Stick with us and stay tuned. Drive the boat.
So go move, slow down?
No, keep going, keep going.
Get this out of the way.
Okay, keep going straight. Can you pull this one in over here?
Which one?
This one. We're turning a little bit.
You can help turn right.
Check the camera angle. I want to make sure we're filming this whole. Got it?
Yeah.
Big
right
lake
there.
trout. Okay, guys, leave them in the water down there. Really hooked. Good. Hook the throw right in. This guy's a little beat up. We're gonna send him back down on his way. Okay, let's get some of our tackle out. This is one of our bags. Got our trolling gear in here. Let's get our spoons out. Got some spoons. Let's see. So these are normal spoons we use. Probably gonna use this guy today. This is a Moose Lick Wobbler. I have a lot of Michigan stingers in here. Yeah, we'll go with those. And then I got some new spoons. I haven't even taken out a package yet. Haven't even made in the tackle box yet. These guys, specifically that one on top, conveniently, that's probably what I'm going to go with right now. So get him on the pole, send him down to downrigger, and see how it goes. Oh, I saw. They got off. Did you see it go down though for a second?
No.
Oh, there was definitely a fish on there. Oh yeah, like the spoon's perfectly clear. Look at that. How's that look? Is it going to go down? I have to tighten up the drag just a bit. I'll do it. I like the Lakers. move back and lift the rod. Oh, the spoon popped out. Pretty nice one. That's a healthy one. I don't want to keep it up now. Just put it back as soon as we can. Just trying to get him out of the net. Oh. Come on, buddy. I'm going to release you right now. Okay. Nice Laker. Got a clipped fin up there. Dunk him back. Straight back down. That was good. Nice. That was awesome. Immediately, as soon as we came back to the spot, we got a fish on. So that was pretty good. My hands are all slimy now, but another fish, 2 fish. Nice. Doesn't feel too big. Oh, see him. What is it? Like silvery. Make sure you don't turn towards that lip bar. That. And down there. Oh, coming in weird. I need to lake out. What is it? That's a salmon.
Salmon, you got one.
I got one. Oh my god, we got a salmon. On the purple spoon I left out. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got our salmon. That's exactly what I want to come out here for. We're actually going to keep this guy. He's 17 1/4, which would be perfect eating size. That'd be 15 to keep. So I'm going to go ahead and dunk him in the cooler. Absolutely beautiful. No markings on him. Nice healthy salmon. We're going to practice taking our one fish here today. That's all we keep. Just one small one. Going to be nice and tasty. So yeah, that's exactly what I want to catch. A nice close up. Awesome. Oh,
Okay, now go ahead.
I just want to show you guys one more time how beautiful and healthy that salmon is. You can see there's absolutely no marks on it. Just keeping the one fish. It'll be really nice and tasty. Yeah, nice, beautiful Atlantic salmon. We got him on a purple and black Crazy Ivan. I can show you guys the spoon, but absolutely incredible. This is exactly what I want to come out for. We got it done. Pretty happy about today. So yeah, it's an awesome fish.
Where'd that come from? Oh, drive, Matt.
Oh, I got it. I'm grabbing. Oh, the lake. Oh! Good thing we stayed with it till the end. Got another lake trout on. He came on hooked real nice, so I'm just gonna go ahead, dunk him back down.
There we go.
There he goes, right back down. That was awesome. So the good thing we stayed right to the end here, because right at the last minute, we got a salmon and a lake trout. Just to before that we had 2 fish, so we doubled our fish count in about 5 minutes. So that was absolutely awesome. Hands are all slimy. It's about noon though. I think we're gonna call it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thanks for staying tuned for the whole video. We're up at Lake Champlain. It was a pretty good day. It's nice and calm in the morning, but it got a little bit rough now. We're kind of trying to avoid all the wind. But anyway, we're gonna pick up the rods, call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to browse the rest of my channel. Got a lot of videos, gonna have a lot more coming out at you. So thanks for watching.